If you don't know about this feature, you are really missing out, and this is a real productivity boost in your career. If you're not using Notebook LM Discover feature, then what you are doing, guys? So now let's start by understanding this Discover feature, what it can do for you and how amazing this is, which I believe can change your way of searching internet, your way of interacting with the data, your way of doing daily research. So welcome to Bitfumes. I'm your host Sarthak, and this video is all about the Notebook LM Discover feature. So without wasting time, let's get started. But before that, don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and if you have already, then hit like to this video so that everyone know about this amazing video. Let me tell you amazing feature of Notebook LM by Google. This is called Discover. You can click here to get into that, or when you create the new notebook, then you will obviously prompt it with this, and here we have the Discover sources. That's really powerful. I'm going to tell you how. So see, it says that Discover sources. So what if I say 10 tools for 10 AI tools for developers. Now, when I say submit, what it's going to do, it's going to search the internet for the 10 sources for the AI tools. And here we got 15 best AI coding assistant, 20 AI testing and debugging tool, like that. Each is having the source. You can get into that, go over, check that out, read it if you want, or if you don't want, you can unselect or select things from here. So let's say it has right now 10 sources selected. So if I go on click import, all these 10 sources are now imported directly into the source section of your notebook. Okay, so you can see it has already named my notebook with this kind of things, and now we are ready to have the interaction with these resources. Even though you have selected all, but if you just want to have conversation with only one source, that's also possible. So here we got everything, and now we can chat with all the sources we have. So right now it says 0 sources because we have not selected any source. Now if I select 2, you can see it says 2 sources, and now I can directly chat with these 2 sources only. You can obviously want to create the podcast overview. You can click on generate. It will going to generate the podcast for you. So let's select everyone and click on generate. So it will take some time to generate the podcast for all of these resources with what exactly we want. We want the 10 AI tools for the developer. But not just that, you can also do something crazy. So what you can do else is you can create the mind map. So here you can see mind map is written. Now click on this mind map, and now it's going to create the mind map for the information you have from all these 10 resources. So if I click here, you can see that's really powerful way to understand what is available in all the sources. So AI tools, coding assistant is all these things, code review tool, all these, debugging tool is all these, lot of amazing things are here. This is really powerful when you want to understand or grab any knowledge from the internet. But this is not just related to the sources already available on the internet. You can search for the latest news. So I will say go discover, give me the latest news from OpenAI. Okay, now I'm going to submit that, and again it's going to search the internet for the latest news only. So think about it as a perplexity, but the response is in your hand. You can modify the response however you want. That's cool. Once again, I'm going to import everything from here, and next is I will going to have the conversation with these resources. Okay, once it is ready, I can say, hey, start typing. So what is the use of latest, or I can say, what is the latest release? Give me in one word. Okay, So now I just want to get the one word release from there, and it says GPT-4o. Although this is not that perfect because it's now 4.1, but okay, we can consider it. Maybe the sources are not that correct. So that's why we have this select option to select the source you trust fully. Okay, one more amazing thing is here. You can also add the sources once again. So maybe I can say, give me the latest news from OpenAI. Okay, so I hit submit, get the different sources again from the internet. Cool, that's great. Again, submit. Now we have, instead of 10, we have 20 sources. That's great. But now I'm going to tell you something really powerful with this Discover. So let's get back to the new notebook, and this time on the Discover, I'm going to say, hey, search for the YouTube video only about the image generation models we have that are open sourced. Now, this is interesting. So we just want the YouTube video, but for the image generation model, but that to be the open source. A lot of difficulties, but now it has given some of the YouTube channel, but some are not at all YouTube channel. Okay, so this is not that good, but I can select these YouTube videos, not channel, by the way. And now I have selected that. I can do one more Discover to add more YouTube video if I really want. Cool. So these are Flux and Hydream. What's about that? I can click on that. I can get the summary of the YouTube video. I can have the key topics for that. Get back. Click on another one. And a lot of amazing things are here just on this Notebook LM. So let's get back to the first one, AI in software development. And here we have the podcast ready. I can click here.
Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're
content man helping document it.
And I can listen to the podcast wherever I am, maybe on the commute or just want to listen it anywhere, lying on the bed. And that's really powerful features of this Notebook LM. What's your view about this Discover feature of Notebook LM and how you are going to use this? Let me know in the comment section, because this is the amazing feature from the Notebook LM. And please tell everyone by sharing this video that Notebook LM is so powerful that it can do amazing thing for you. Your productivity will be boosted once you start using the Notebook LM in daily basis. So just hit follow and just like this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed this. So we will going to meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.